Hi there, I'm Amy Chambers, and I'm here to show you how to put on your clarinet reed and ligature on your mouthpiece. We'll start with our clarinets fully assembled. This one is the Jupiter 1100S. First, we'll set the ligature on the mouthpiece. You'll want to make sure the flat part of your mouthpiece is facing you. The screws to the ligature should be on the right-hand side. There are lots of different types of ligatures, but the screws are nearly always on the right. If it doesn't seem to fit right, like this, try flipping it over, but keep the screws on the right. Next, take your reed and only hold it by the thick part. The fragile tip will break if you touch it. If you're right-handed, lift up your ligature with your left thumb, like this. And then we'll slide the reed in between the ligature and the flat part of the mouthpiece. You want to have the flat part of the reed flat against the flat part of the mouthpiece. You don't want to stick it in the hole. The tip of the reed should be almost to the tip of the mouthpiece. You'll want to be able to see a sliver of mouthpiece at the top. Slide your ligature down into place, and then firm up the screws just enough to keep your ligature and reed still. Take a minute and check carefully to make sure that your setup looks like this. Some common problems are placing the reed too high, which can give a fuzzy sound, or too low, or a little crooked. The ligature also needs to be down far enough, but not too far. If you take care setting up your reed and ligature carefully, you'll be well on your way to making some nice sounds. Happy clarinetting!